Do you want to look and feel younger in 2025? It's easier than you think. Today, I'm sharing simple, game-changing tips that can take years off your look. So let's dive right in. The first one on my list is Hydrate for Radiance. You know, hydration really is the foundation of a youthful, glowing look. When you're well hydrated, your skin is going to appear plumper, smoother, and more radiant. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water every day and eating water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon can work wonders for your glow. And it's not just about what you drink. It's also important to help the skin retain moisture. Using hydrating products like serums and even considering a humidifier during drier winter months can help keep your skin supple. The second one on my list is to exfoliate gently for brighter skin. It's amazing what getting rid of those dead skin cells that are sitting on your face can do to give you a beautiful glow up. So a gentle exfoliation once or twice a week can instantly brighten your complexion. I like to think of it as hitting the reset button for your skin. And you can find these exfoliators in scrubs, masks, even little applicator pads. Choose one that fits your skincare routine and your skin is going to thank you. The third one on my list is hair that frames your face. Of course, we can't forget about hair. Healthy, youthful looking hair starts by taking good care of it. And that brings me to today's sponsor, SRI. Have you ever wished a single tool could do it all? Dry, style, and smooth your hair without damaging it? Well, let me introduce you to the StyleWrap Pro by SRI. It's my new go-to for salon finished hair at home. This is a 7-in-1 styling tool that has completely changed the game for me, especially with my short hair. Whether I want smooth volume, a soft wave, or a sleek finish, the StyleWrap Pro does it all. The secret is its Kawanda airflow technology, which gently styles without extreme heat. And don't even get me started on how lightweight and easy it is to handle. It's like having a professional stylist right in the palm of your hand. What I love most about the StyleWrap Pro is just how versatile it is. It comes with attachments that can straighten, curl, and add volume, so I can switch up my look effortlessly. Plus, the negative ion technology tames the frizz, leaving my hair shiny and smooth every time. If you're ready to upgrade your hair game, I've got a special treat for you. Click the link in the description and use the code here on screen to check out the StyleWrap Pro for yourself and experience the magic firsthand. Number 4 on my list is layering skincare the right way. Now, this has been something that always has confused me. What do I put on first? I don't know. You get all these lotions and potions and it sounds really great in the store, and then you get it home. It's like, well, what do I do with it? So I'm going to straighten all that out for you. I've learned the secrets and now I'm going to share them with you if it's something you're struggling with. So proper skincare starts with cleansing. So you're always going to start with your cleanser. That's going to remove the oil, dirt, makeup, and create a clean slate for the products to be able to flow. Once your skin is clean, a toner can be your next step to refresh and balance. And the point of toners is they help remove any lingering impurities and prep your skin for better absorption of the upcoming active ingredients. And think of these steps as setting the stage for the real magic of your skincare to begin. Next, you're going to apply your serums. Lightweight, water-based serums are packed with active ingredients like hyaluronic acid for hydration or vitamin C for brightening. And these serums are going to sink deeply into the skin to target those specific concerns. And finally, you're going to follow up with a moisturizer that will seal in all the goodness and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day or night. When you layer it this way, your products will work together and leave your skin healthy, radiant, and glowing. Number 5 on my list is makeup tips that will lift and brighten. The right concealer placement can work wonders for making you look more awake, even if you didn't get 8 hours of sleep. Apply under your eyes, focusing on the inner corners where the darkness tends to linger, and gently blend it out. This not only brightens, but it also lifts your entire eye area. For a youthful glow, try placing the blush slightly higher. You're not going to place it on the apples of your cheeks like we did when we were younger. You're actually going to move it up higher up to your cheekbone and sweep it upwards towards your temples. This simple shift gives your face an instant lifted appearance. I've also got some subtle eye and lip techniques for you. Start by curling your lashes and then apply a lengthening mascara to open up your eyes and give them a more youthful appearance. And then pair this with a soft, glossy lip in a rosy or neutral shade. Gloss reflects the light and creates a fresh and radiant look that complements any makeup style, making you appear effortlessly polished and ready for the day. Number 6 on my list is taking care of your body's skin. You know, we spend so much time on our faces, but our bodies deserve just as much attention as our face. After I shower, I like to start with a fast absorbing moisturizer or body oil to keep my skin smooth, hydrated, and healthy. And when you apply it right after the shower while your skin's still a little damp, it helps lock in the moisture and gives your skin a really soft, silky feeling in minutes. And focus on the areas that tend to get dry, like elbows, knees, and heels for an all-over glow. Even though we're getting into the winter months, daily sunscreen is equally important for protecting your body's skin from premature aging. And many of us remember to apply SPF to our face, but then we forget areas like our neck, chest, and hands. And guess what? Those are the places that show the first signs of aging. Choose a lightweight, broad spectrum sunscreen and make it part of your everyday morning routine. Number 7 on my list is brighten your smile. Your smile is actually one of the first things that people notice, and it can light up your entire face. So don't neglect it. Teeth can dull over time, especially if we like to drink red wine, coffee, and other dark colored foods. So try something like a whitening toothpaste or an at-home whitening kit to help restore your teeth's brightness. Many kits now have enamel-safe formulas, so you can get great results without all the sensitivity that those old kits used to have. Also, don't forget about regular dental cleanings because they're the key to keeping your teeth healthy and sparkling. And for an instant boost, try a lip color with blue undertones, like rosy pinks or berries. They will make your teeth appear even whiter. Number 8 on my list is sleep well for a natural glow. Believe it or not, quality sleep is the ultimate beauty secret. While you rest, your body's able to repair itself, which increases blood flow to the skin, boosts collagen production, and leaves you looking fresher and more radiant. If sleep is a struggle, I like to try winding down with a calming nighttime routine. Dim the lights, avoid the screens, and sip on a cup of herbal tea. Keeping a consistent bedtime routine and creating a cozy sleep environment like a cool room or supportive pillows can make all the difference. Are you ready to glow in 2025? Try these tips and let me know your favorites in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.